Hello everyone, welcome to Serpwizz. This is Natalie and we will be talking about another category of the SEMRUSH tools today. And we are done with the SEO and local SEO categories. And today we will be discussing about the advertising tools that comes with registering for an account here in SEMRUSH. If you are interested in learning about their SEO and local SEO tools, then definitely check the playlist that we have for SEMrush. If you go to the description box, we have the link over there. And do explore our channel, Serpwizz, and as we have tons of useful reviews that you can watch over there. So going back to our topic at hand, today's video will just be quite, I think, an introduction to the advertising dashboard that SEMrush offers, because it has subcategories that we'll be going on to more in depth in the next couple of videos that will follow this one. So this advertising dashboard, or what is also called the PPC, pay-per-click advertising toolkit, it allows you to discover the tools that will help you plan, analyze, and improve your Google Ads campaign. So basing from the purpose of this tool, you can expect that we will be talking more about Google or ads in particular, ad campaigns in particular for this specific tool sets. So it is broken down into 4 subcategories, which is market analysis, keyword research, ad tracking, and social media ads. So if you have been following the SEMrush series that we have been making for the past couple of weeks now, you would notice that some of these tools are actually already discussed under the SEO category. So those that we have discussed will be just going through them quickly, and we'll focus on those that are not yet put into the spotlight so that we can know more about these tools as well. So for market analysis, we have domain overview, advertising research, display advertising, and PLA research. So for advertising research, it talks about it allows you to reveal your main paid search competitors. So as you can see right here, PLA research is more about digging into your biggest competitors in Google Shopping. So that's quite interesting, personally speaking, because we all know how huge or impactful any Google results are to businesses nowadays. So I'm not gonna read through all of the information about the tools per se, because we will be discussing them in more details on the following videos after this one. Keyword gap, this one we have discussed. If you want to talk, or if you want to know more about this tool, definitely check out the playlist. Keyword magic tool as well. So for keyword gap, it allows you to, or for this tool, it deals mainly with keywords and how you can use them to affect different factors of your SEO and your SEO performance overall. So going quickly through the keyword research subcategory, we have keyword gap and keyword magic tools. So these are tools that we were able to discuss previously. If you want to know more about these tools, then definitely check our playlist. We also have the PPC keyword tool, which we will be going to discuss further into detail as we go along through this series. Position tracking, which is under ad tracking, something that we also discussed previously, and social media ads under the same subcategory. So these are what you can expect that we'll be talking about into further detail as we go along this series. And yep, hopefully we catch you on the next video. If you are interested in watching these previous, for example, this one, the SEO category, we have finished all of these, and some of these tools are related to the advertising categories. If you want to check more about that, definitely go to our channel and search for the SEMRUSH playlist. If yeah, there's also a link on the description box down below. So yeah, hopefully we see you guys on the next videos, and thank you all for watching.